Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to practice free kicks in FIFA Mobile. So the first thing that you need to do is just to tap on the live events. Okay, this one you can see the live events, so you just have to tap on it and then scroll to your left or to your right, slide, then tap on daily training. And then right after that, you'll just have to click on the skill training. So you just have to choose one of this to start your training or to practice your free kicks. For example, we're going to tap on this to start the game. Okay, so you just have to wait for a few seconds. And then right after that, you'll just have to tap on the ball and then curve it to your right or to your left, or it depends on you, or you just want to, kick the ball in a straight position. So something like that. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so let's curve the ball. Okay, as you can see, that's how you can practice free kicks in FIFA Mobile. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.